does not have the capability to stop Pakistan's water, let alone making it crave for every drop. After the Pahalgam attack, India has taken any decision which includes India does not have the capability to stop Pakistan's water, let alone making it crave for every drop. After the Pahalgam attack, India has taken many decisions which include cancelling the Indus Treaty. But without any investigation, the news is running in the Indian media that India will make Pakistan crave for every drop. But this is not possible. It means that India does not have that much capability. India's infrastructure is not strong. Owaisi also raised this issue that cancelling the treaty is right. But where will we keep the water? Let alone keeping it. Big dams will be built to stop the water of Indus, which will take many years to build. Forget about the money spent. This is impossible for India because it requires a hub storage, without which there can be a danger of flood in India itself. The Indus Valley originated from Tibet and its flow is very fast. Electricity is generated from this flow. India does not have the capacity and number of canals required to divert this flow. The hydropower plants built on rivers in India do not have the capacity to store large amount of water. Secondly, India is not able to use even the 20% water it gets from Jhelum, Chenab and Indus River under this treaty due to lack of infrastructure. Thirdly, if you focus on the previous incident, then after the terrorist attack in Uri, Jammu and Kashmir in 2016, official of the Indian Water Resource Ministry and said that many dams would be built in the Indus Basin and the construction of storage project would be expedited. But the situation is delicate in this matter. India can dump silt without any prior warning, which will cause damage to Pakistan, but that too in a very limited amount, which will not affect Pakistan. Pakistan has said this 4 days ago that India is not in a position to stop Pakistan's water, but now Pakistan has also warned India that stopping the water of Indus means bloodshed. Under the Indus Water Treaty of 1960, India is officially allowed to store 18.6 ms of water, but India does not even have that much capacity. India can generate 20,000 megawatts of electricity from the western rivers, but India is barely able to generate 35,000 megawatts of electricity. India decided to build additional infrastructure to store additional water and stop Pakistan's water. But even if work was done on this on a one footing, it would take 10 years and millions of crores of rupees would be spent on it. So understand that India cannot stop Pakistan's water right now. The news that India will make Pakistan's crave for every drop is far-fetched, and even if serious attention is paid to it, it is not going to happen during Modi's rule. Even if work is done on this, it will take more than 10 years. India has said this earlier also, but work is missing. Abdul Basit, former High Commissioner of Pakistan in India, has posted a video and said we get 133 million acres feet of water and we should keep getting it. If you don't get this water and our rivers don't have water, then blood will flow. This is not the Pakistan of 1971. This is the Pakistan of 1998 and we have nuclear bombs. You should also take care of this.